Hey friends, you are with Kim Byers at the Celebration Shop, and today we are going to make an absolutely darling Father's Day coffee mug. Now, if you don't want to make a coffee mug and you'd rather make a t-shirt or you'd rather make something else, a canvas or something like that for your dad, this design works for that too. It's actually something that I designed when I was working on my latest Cricut cartridge, which you can find in Cricut Design Space. Just search Kim Byers, and it's B-Y-E-R-S. Just in case you don't know how to spell it. And I designed this one and then I was going to deliver it over and I thought, nope, I'm gonna hold this one back. And so this one I am giving to you. So if you look down in the description down below, you can hop over and get this free SVG and craft with me. All right, let's hop over to Design Space and I'll show you how to pop it in and then we'll get to the craft table. Okay, so I've opened up a new project on my canvas. So you just select new, it brings up a blank canvas, and then I have gone ahead and loaded this in. But what you want to do is you want to download my file, and then you'll go over to upload and upload image. So you'll click this, it'll let you open a file from your computer. And so we have Dad Life, and so once it shows up there, you'll just hit insert image. But since I already have it on the canvas, I'm going to hit cancel. Okay, so now that we have this in the or on the canvas, you notice it's very large. So we're like 8 inches by 6 inches, and of course that's way too big for a mug. And my mug is about 2.5 inches across. I actually bought a flat-faced mug from Target, which I love those mugs. And if you use a rounded mug, no big deal, guys, no big deal. Just whenever you get it on the transfer tape, and I'll show you this, but you can just clip the transfer tape so that it will allow you to sort of fold it around the mug instead of it making, trying to make it go flat. So just snip the transfer tape and use the round mug. Okay, so for this, what we want to do is we want to click on it. And it's all one piece. Now you could eliminate elements if you wanted to, like if you wanted to take off the Best Life, or if you just wanted to take off everything and do Dad Life, you could do that. But for this instance, we're going to do the entire design. So if you go up to width and height, you can do it here, or you can drag from the corner. I personally want to go ahead and do, 2.5 and see how that's going to be. Okay, so if we enlarge this a little bit, so this is how large it would be, and if you click on the design, 2.5 wide makes it about 1.7 tall. But I think my mug is slightly, I'm gonna make it just a smidge bigger. There we go. So almost 2 inches high. So living the dad life. All right, so here we go. We'll go ahead and select make it. It'll take it to the canvas. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this. So you see how everything is all crazy? There's a reason for that, and there's a way to fix it easily. So you hit cancel, you go back and highlight the entire design. Okay, and then go down to attach. Now once that is attached, let's try that again. Perfect, look at that, just perfect. So it's going to cut out all together. Everything's going to be in one piece and it's going to be perfect. So we'll hit continue. Now when you move forward, it's going to ask you to connect your machine. So I'm going to connect my maker and then we'll meet back. You can see now that my maker is attached. So it says maker. And then it also shows me my material, so I can pick whatever type of material I want to put on my mug. Now I do a lot of vinyl, and so I've already got it here in my favorites, but if it wasn't listed here for you, you just go to browse all materials and it shows you tons and tons organized by type. So for this, we're going to go ahead and hit premium vinyl. And I am not going to press fast mode on this one just because there's some tiny cuts within the interior of the letters, like inside the V and that kind of thing. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the mat and I'll meet you over on the craft table. So here on the crafting table I have a couple of things. I have transfer tape. I have my project that I just cut out. I have a scraper And I have a weeding tool and I have my mug. This is the one I was talking about that kind of has a flat front face. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go ahead and weed our design. I like to start with the interior of the small lettering. So I'm going to pick out all these tiny little pieces inside of the letters, like inside of the D, inside of the A, and I'll take all of these out and then I'll move on to the larger areas. Now that I have all the small pieces out, I've used my scissors and cut away a little bit, and now I'll pick it up, and you can see that you will be able to take the scissors and trim as you go. And see, it picked up my eye. So what you do is you go in with your tool and hold it down and just go slow. Now I have taken off all of the excess material, so we're left with only our design. And we're going to take transfer tape. Transfer tape is critical for doing vinyl projects. I would never recommend you do a vinyl project without it. It has these great grids on it. You're just going to line them up with your design. Okay, and then you're going to take your scraping tool and go over it just to make sure that it's grabbing all the letters. It's actually that easy, guys. And then we can take, and you can take your design off of the mat earlier, but because this is such a tiny design, I wanted to leave it on the mat just for stability. And then we're going to take our mug and we're going to peel our transfer tape away, making sure that we pick up all of our pieces. And if you don't, sort of help it along a little bit. Okay, so now all that's left to do is to place the design. Place it about the center of the mug, like that. We'll use this tool again just to make sure all of our letters are down. And then we will peel at an angle. So grab your transfer tape and just peel away. It is literally that easy to make a perfect project every time. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed crafting with me as much as I love crafting with you. And I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos or any of my future freebies. Make sure you hop down below before you go and grab the file. And I will see you guys next time.